Hi everybody, Joe Garris here. I had quite a few people ask me how to embed their Agent Mastermind invite page into Facebook. First thing you're going to do when you're in your dashboard here, you'll click on Site Manager. And then over here in the search, you can just type in, you can actually just start typing in sign up. And that will pull up that actual page. And you can see we do a lot of testing on this demo account. So there's a lot of duplicate pages and things. But if you click on preview, then you'll be able to get your link. Now, if you're new, your link might have like an S and then a number and then .mortgage web system. You know what? Don't worry about it. Go ahead and use that. If you haven't added a domain into the system yet, no worries. You can actually go back and edit that later. So first thing you'll do is want to copy that link. And if for some of my advanced people, you can create an ad tracker link as well, so you guys would know what that entails. So if you wanted to actually track all the clicks through from Facebook specifically, you can do that as well. So for now, I'm just going to copy this link. And if you notice, if you were able to actually measure the size of this, you'll see that we actually created this page narrow enough to work directly in the Facebook system. Of course, until they change their system, which I'm sure they'll eventually do. So now what we want to do is you want to go to your Facebook page, your actual fan page. And you will, I'm just going to use one of my little demo pages here. Let's click on this one. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to type in iframe. If I just start typing that into the bar here, then you're going to see a little app called Static Iframe tab. Click that and go ahead and add that static iframe to your fan page. So you're going to say install page tab, and then you're going to choose the page that you want to add it to. And actually, in my case, it's already added to that fan page that I was showing you. The reason why I know that is because it's not showing here on the actual list. So I'm just going to go back to my page. So it just adds it right away. And I'll go back to that page and show you what it's going to look like. Okay. Let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. This is one that I had added in before, and I'm actually going to edit this. In your case, yours just won't show any additional page. Any of our pages can be actually embedded into Facebook. One thing that they have changed is the video you have to use when you embed a video with YouTube right now. They don't specify like an HTTP or an HTTPS. HTTPS is a secure page. Facebook now makes you have a secure video. So in this case, this is not showing this particular video that's there, but we've changed your Agent Mastermind video to show the actual video. So we changed it to a secure video link. So if I click on settings, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this URL setting, and then I'm just going to type in that URL. So I'm just going to paste it in, and you can click hide scroll bars or not. One thing you will have to do is play around with the height. I like to start it out around 1600 for this particular page, and then I turn off all this other stuff. I don't mess with any of this stuff. And then here we're going to call it join, let's just say join class now, or you can type in anything. That's going to be the actual tab name, and then you can add a tab image. I do have a tab image that you can use, so I'll try to post it here as well. But I'm just going to save this right now, and then you're done. As long as the height is okay, you may have to come back in and modify the height. But as you click Save Changes, then you can just go up here and looks like I need to publish the page. So I'll just click Publish Page. And then I can view the tab. It's going to show me what it looks like. And so here, as you can see, the video is playing, and you've got your actual page is set up here. And it looks like that it's just is the right size for me. Now, if you have additional information, you may have to increase that height just a little bit. But that's what the page will look like in your tab. Now, what I always like to do is I like to log out and look at this as someone else that's not that's not an admin would see. And let me go over here and actually let me go ahead and edit the image here. So I'm gonna go here to this. All I did was I clicked this little arrow, and then it allows you to click on that little pencil, click edit settings, and this you can actually change the tab name as well, and you can change the actual image. So now there are a lot of iframe systems that'll work. This is just a free one, and I think it's pretty easy to use. So this is the one that I actually use. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose a file. So I'm just going to find this file, and now this file I have already resized to work for Facebook. So I'm going to click on that, and it doesn't look good in this preview because the preview is huge. But as you can see, the dimensions are 111 by 74. So that's 111 pixels wide and 74 tall. And that's what works. I'm going to click open. And then you can see that's the image. And then we are good to go. So now we can go back to the actual page and click OK. And as you can see, that's going to be the actual image. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm actually going to just log out and double check everything. So I'm going to paste that link to my page. So this is what someone that's not logged into your Facebook will see. Click join class now. And I didn't publish it. Okay, so I just needed to refresh here. And so then you can see that the page is here. You can fill in the information, and it will go into your database directly into your Mortgage Web Success System, and it'll also subscribe them to that week's webinar. So that's how this works. The other thing that you can do, it's a little bit of an advanced option, is this form. When you process this form, you can either open up a page within Facebook. So the key is that page needs to be the right size to work in Facebook. It needs to be the right width. Or you can have it open a page external to Facebook. So there's just a setting with this actual web form. So all our web forms are customizable, as is everything else on the page. The cool thing here is if you want to make a change, you make it on your Mortgage Web Success System. And since Facebook is just framing in that page, then it's going to display here as well. So hopefully this was helpful in getting your Facebook set up. We may be able to do like a step-by-step PDF as well that we'll probably be able to do that maybe by this week, end of this week. So hopefully this helps. Take care.